Hello everyone, it's Mr. Allen again for our final golden ticket assembly before half term, and it was really lovely this morning to see you all getting those certificate presentation assemblies. So well done to all of those children this morning, right the way through the school, earning those certificates for all of your work throughout this term. But now we've got our golden ticket winners, and these children have just been truly outstanding this week. So really well done to these guys. Congratulations if you get one of these. If you don't, remember, look at who gets them and copy them. But really well done to these children. Obviously, it's Friday the 23rd of October and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to start off in year 3. And in Miss White's class, this person has a fantastic attitude. They work hard, encourage others and share the load. They have thought about what they need to improve to win a golden ticket, and today is their day. And that's really lovely to have children who are really thinking carefully, they're really watching others, and they're putting all that effort in. And this child truly, truly deserves it. And it goes to Milana. Well done, Milana, you absolute superstar. Really proud of you, hun. Well done, just working really conscientious, really quietly, just getting on and working hard. Well done, really growing in confidence as well. I'll be bringing this round with some treats. Maybe you can share that with who knows, it's up to you, mum and dad, but your treats are yours. Well done and well deserved. Well worked at that, Milana, good girl. Moving on, Mr. Ackerman's class. This child has been working hard in class. He always tries his best and never gives up. He reads 5 times a week and has made a great start to year 3. And I know that as well because actually I've seen lots of his work. Lots of his work has been showing me from doing at home. He's doing extra learning at home and he's bringing in stuff every single day to show me, and it's really, really well deserved. So the golden ticket goes to Daniel. There he is. Look at that. You absolute superstar. Well deserved, Daniel. Really proud of you, buddy. It's all really paid off there. All of that hard work. Enjoy your treats. Enjoy your golden ticket, you really deserve it. It's a great way to end this half term and then enjoy your half term holiday. Well done. Keep it up, buddy. Thank you. Moving on to year 4. And Miss Barrett's child is a kind and gentle member of 4HB. They're always making the right choices and have a great attitude to learning. They show respect to everyone and are such a pleasure to have in the class. They're a pleasure to have in school, actually. This child is a real shining star and he just absolutely superb. Cannot ask for a better child. Really well deserved. And the golden ticket goes to Jessica. There she is. Absolutely superb. Getting on quietly. Always got a smile on her face. Really love it. Again, coming around today with the treats. Maybe you can share them with your sister as well. It's up to you. But really well done, Jessica. I am proud of you. And all that hard work's really paying off. So keep it up. Fantastic. Well done. Moving on. Mr. Pinners. He always goes the extra mile in producing thoughtful and beauty-friendly work, so working so hard. His calm and composed manner means that everyone feels better when he's around. He's a wonderful citizen in the community of Class 4MP and is kind and considerate to all. Honestly, you couldn't ask for a better child in year 4. This child has it all, and he really is super calm, super patient, and super kind. And it goes to Dylan. There he is, look at him. And you can look closely at this work. It is phenomenal. His handwriting is beautiful. His writing is beautiful. Dylan, I am so proud of you, buddy. This is really well deserved. Congratulations. And again, maybe you can share your treats with mum and dad. Who knows? It's up to you. But really well deserved and a great way again to end ready for your half-term holiday. Well done, Dylan. Moving on to year 5. Miss Arthurton's child walks into our classroom every day with a beaming smile on their face. They are kind, helpful, and a fantastic role model to their peers. Really good. They work hard in every lesson, even when they find something to challenge. This person, it's a pleasure to teach, truly deserves this golden ticket. And they really do. They are absolutely a superb role model. If you want to win the golden ticket in year 5, just watch, copy this child. Golden ticket goes to Erica. There she is. Well done, Erica. I am so proud of you, hun. You work so hard. You're such a lovely child. I'm so pleased with you. And again, maybe you can share the treats with your brothers. Who knows? It's up to you. They are yours. I'm sure they'll be asking for one, but well deserved. Enjoy and have a great half term. Well done, Erica. I'm proud of you. Moving on to Miss Musselwhite. This child has really impressed me this half term. They read at least once every day at home, if not more, and I know they're reading more than that. They support their peers, behave impeccably, and get involved in all lessons. They clearly listen and take on board constructive criticism and act on it, constantly making improvements to their work. And that's exactly it. In year 5, we're looking for children who are just looking for ways to improve their writing, to improve their maths, to improve their history, their geography, their science. Really, really well done. This boy does that every time. It is Zane. There he is. Look at him. Huge smiley face. Zane, you are an absolute superstar, buddy. I know you helped Mr. Allen lots and lots. You have done throughout this week, so thank you so much. Really well deserved. And again, maybe you can share your treats with your brothers, because I know what a kind brother you are, and I know you will do that. Huge congratulations, buddy, and have a great half-term holiday. On to year 6. Miss Percy's golden ticket this week is awarded to someone that could have been awarded it every week. I agree. Consistently since the beginning of term, they have approached lessons with determination, enthusiasm, and resilience. They are incredibly polite, independent, and willing to give everything a try. They just get on, and they are a fantastic role model to others. And a very well done to Isabel. Isabel, you are an absolute superstar. In all of my games lessons, you try your utmost, you give it your all, so really well done. And that attitude follows you through in every single lesson. You can clearly see that. Well deserved. As I said, you could win this every week. Really well deserved. Again, maybe you could share your treat with your sister. It's up to you. I'm sure she'll be asking, but really well done, Isabel. Well deserved as well. Have a great half-term holiday. Moving on, finally, in Mr. Davidson, this child works quietly and studiously in all lessons. They arrive at school smiling and eager to learn every day, and this week they have produced wonderful writing in English, as well as shining in creative lessons. They thoroughly deserve this award. But not only that, even in, again, my games lesson, she puts it in. She really does, and she gives it her all. The golden ticket goes to Summer. Here she is, look. Already, but she is an absolute shining example of what a year 6 could be and should be. Well done, Summer. Again, maybe you can share your treats with your sister. Who knows? It'll be up to you, but really well deserved, hun, because there's enough in there, so you better share it with all your sisters, I'm sure. Huge congratulations and enjoy half term. Well done. And well done everyone who's won a golden ticket this morning. Finally, obviously, thank you all for being respectful this week. That has been my theme. That has been our whole school theme. You've seen that from assembly. And we've had a wonderful week where everyone is respecting each other, their friends, adults, equipment, the school. It's been a really, really lovely week and a great half term, everyone. Big thumbs up from Mr. Allen. Thank you, everyone. Finally, obviously, we break up this afternoon at 3:15. Got lots of children going home with golden tickets and treats, certificates and reading books and various other bits. So really well done, everyone. We're back on Monday, the 2nd of November. It's a huge thank you to everyone. And I'll talk about support, about families, parents, and all, but actually children as well. Thank you guys for being so brilliant. Every single one of you have put it in this half term. We've missed so much learning. It was lovely to see you all working so hard. Thank you from Mr. Allen. Really appreciate it. Obviously, keep washing your hands, keep wearing face coverings, keep your distance from others. Let's keep each other safe so we can keep school going right the way through next term up to Christmas. Have a lovely half term and bye-bye for now.